What the hell? I take 4 days away from Solana NFTs and I come back to this. So much is going on in just 4 days. A lot of red in the screen, a lot of percents down, floor prices are crashing. Frank Degods is saying one sad thing over another. I feel like everything's falling apart, but we're going to be cool. We're going to stay calm. We talked about this. Normally we'll make fun of the OK Bears, but now we know how they feel being down 30-40%. Let's talk about these 3 NFTs that I'm looking to buy up right now, especially when there's mass fear in the whole NFT market. And guys, if you don't know already, it's your boy Heavy Mint Machi here on the Degods platform every Wednesdays and Fridays, where we're not here for a long time, but here for an absolutely good time. But first, what the hell started this frenzy of mayhem? As you can see on the blue chip index, things just went crashing down in just 4 days. Here in the volume chart, things are looking bad as well. But first, let's talk about what the hell happened with Frank Degods and the whole collection. Because just a week ago, roughly 3 weeks ago actually, while the Tubes mint was happening, we're looking at a 500 soul Degods collection. And now it's at 250, roughly 50% cut since that mint of the secondary collection. What the hell happened? For starters, there was a lot of delays. Even though Frank said that there was going to be no more, we have still to see a release of the Tubes NFT collection. There's still no release yet. We're not seeing our image. A lot of promises that were made about the roadmap are completely destroyed. So that's FUD number 1. FUD number 2. You got the SEC into everyone's NFT collection, especially if they're a blue chip and they're giving out these royalties. They're already a target in the SEC's radar. Number 3 FUD on the list, that the Degods collection is going 0% royalties. Now, there's a lot of speculation on why they announced this, but nonetheless, the market took this very negatively and a lot of people were dumping this NFT really quickly. But probably the biggest news came out today, not too long ago, when their artist Scum, a notorious member of the Degods team, a big voice on crypto Twitter, a huge influencer nonetheless on his own accord, and a great artist, he announced that he's officially left the Degods NFT and the Utes NFT team as of last Friday, October 7th. One of the biggest blue chip NFTs across the blockchains, not just Solana, but across all the blockchains, seems like it's falling apart. Then you have It's Ragnar saying, what the fuck did I wake up to? It's literally what everyone's thinking right now, especially when you see the 88 Solana floor price for Utes that was roughly 150 not too long ago. Pencils, another big artist for the Degods team, pretty much venting, giving his honest opinion about everything that's going on. So across the board, a lot of fear going right now in the market. And it's okay if you're down because we're all down, but it's not over yet. If you're in the space right now, please understand that you're still early. And there's projects right now that are building, especially in the long bear that we're in, especially in this momentary fear bubble that we're in. There's still people hustling nonstop. And so I'm going to go ahead and find 3 of them. Now, first thing that I always do is I rank things by the weekly to find undervalued gem from my watch list. Now, going down the list here, So Dead Coffins from the So Dead ecosystem. Not too fond of their multiple airdrops that are going out, so I'm going to ignore this. The Degods and the Utes collection. We just talked about why there's fear right now going on for these 2 NFT collections. And then you have GMers and Primates currently not too interested on what they're building right now. We got Critter Cults though. A big project that I am a huge fan of, so I'm going to go ahead and open up a tab for this one. As we keep scrolling, Blocksmith Labs, a great price in my opinion, but I still think it has room to go lower, like 80, maybe a 79 Solana floor. So I'm going to be patient for that one. OK Bears, if you want to lose all your money, now's your chance by jumping in. And as I keep scrolling, there's honestly nothing else more that interests me. Right now, there is a glitch of ABC because there's no way they're up 2,000% in the last week. But there's a lot of information that's coming out with this and Hades Swap that I'm going to look further into this, so I'm going to open up a tab on it as well. So Critter Cult and ABC are 2 NFT products that we're going to zoom in a little bit further and see if there's an opportunity to snipe in. So for Critter Cults, looking at the analytics right here on the chart, it was very bullish at one point not too long ago. We called it on this channel before it really picked up some steam and passed a 25 Solana floor. Now recently, with a lot of FUD going out in the market, with more projects turning 0% royalties and people kind of just trying to get out of NFTs in general, this project went back to 15.9 Solana, where I think it is seeing a great support level. I love what the team's doing overall. Pixelated artwork, the lore and the story behind the team. Story meta is still in, no matter what people are saying. And I think there's a lot more up ahead for this whole project. Now, looking at Hello Moon, we're looking also on Solana NFTs, smart money inflow. People have been consistently accumulating criticals. And without surprise, Utes are also being bought in and the Degods collection. I want to make this very clear. I am not fading these projects, and if anything, I think these are criminally low floor prices, and if you're looking to get into one of these communities, now would be your chance. Next thing I want to talk about is ABC, and we talked about this project on this channel before it even reached 20 Solana. We caught it very early, and hopefully a lot of you guys took some profits when it reached 60 plus Solana floor price. Now, since then, a lot of other projects have looked at the blueprint of ABC and its meteoric rise and kind of took away from it. 0% creator royalties is now becoming mainstream. We're seeing a lot more NFT projects do that. Now, where they are different is by twofold. You have a great founder at hde.soul, who's a huge influencer on Twitter, and at the same time seems like he has a large bankroll that's taken not only this project, but also HadesSwap, its main marketplace, to new levels. HadesSwap's going to be giving out royalties to all the ABC holders. Now, looking at some analytics over at txo.com, definitely check out this website if you're a numbers guy. So real quickly, looking at the 1 monthly, of course, Magic Eden's being the head dog over at 81%, and the small other projects are taking some percent as well. Now, in the last 7 days, a lot of people are talking about this on Twitter. We're seeing a major shift. Magic Eden hitting record lows at 67% volume in the last 7 days. HadesSwap, the marketplace for ABC, creeping up at 10.81 SOL. In the last 24 hours, we're still seeing that trajectory of HadesSwap going up and Magic Eden going down. So with that said, at a floor price of around 26.8 Solana for ABC, some technicals that are somewhat supporting the support level for this project, we saw it rise at one point to roughly 66 Solana. So obviously a lot of room to grow. A great influencer, a whole marketplace, and a lot of people supporting this NFT collection. I'm looking to be a buyer on it. Now, of course, there's probably more pain ahead, but very rarely do we ever see it go below 25 Solana. And I'm not just doing this just to get royalties as a ABC holder from HadesSwap. But I'm looking to flip this when there's more hype coming back into this. Maybe around 35 Solana, and maybe best bet around 40 Solana. Follow me on HaveYouMetMachi over on Twitter. Jump on the Digits Discord, which is on the description below. There's so much more going on right now when it comes down to the Digits ecosystem. A free mint November 3rd. So much information, infographics, and videos are being released on it. You don't want to miss it. Definitely follow them on Twitter as well at Digits Agents. Thank you all so much for watching, and take care.